What's going on, y'all? Welcome to Shots of Houston, you feel me? And if you a stupid ass nigga like me and keep locking your goddamn keys in the car, you gon' need a nigga like me, you feel me? Check me out. I just bought the motherfucking door lock key, you feel me? So I'm finna break in my own shit and get my own keys, you feel me? Cause I ain't paying a motherfucking thing, you feel me? So watch. See, first, what you gotta do is you gotta smoke you some motherfucking weed. Cause if your ass ain't high, you might not get by, you feel me? So shit, first I'm gonna smoke me some weed, you know what I'm saying? So I can get the mind right, you feel me? Smoke you some weed so you get the mind right, you feel me?
That's how you get in your motherfucking car. You feel me? Know what I'm saying? So when you got your motherfucking keys in the car, call Shots of Houston, you feel me? Just give me one shot, you feel me?